In this video, we are going to be analysing ATXG. So to get straight into it, firstly, do note this stock was quite crazy. It IPO'd very recently around $20, and somehow within that same kind of 4 hours or 8 hours that the stock was open, it pushed all the way to $1,150. So a very big push. We can see now we've definitely pulled back very harshly from this, and we are now sitting around $6.50 with a 52-week low at $3.80. So what are going to be resistance levels if you think the stock is going to start going to the upside? And on the longer term targets, we can see we have $75, $100, and then pushing off to $215, $288, $355, $475, and a final level at $659. And obviously these levels are very far off even the $76. So really, these are, if you think the stock's going to go very parabolic, or it does start going parabolic, these would be the levels we would be paying attention to. But on a more realistic level and something we can see more likely to achieve, we can then go into a smaller term time frame, and in this case we'll use the 10-day, and then we can see then our closest resistance is at $55. But again, still very far off from where we are now, so we can cut down this time frame once again and go into a 5-day chart. And then what we can see is really the only resistance we have is at $7. So all this tells us is that if ATXG goes above $7, more than likely it's going to start pulling back, as we kind of saw already recently. Kind of broke above this level and very quickly pulled back to our support on the third deviation at 635. So onto the key support levels. If we continue to pull back, we will be looking at that 635. If we break that, 575, 515. And kind of our final level at 450. So these levels are off a shorter term time frame. So if you're watching this video a week down the line, these levels probably won't hold all that well, because this is, and it has to be off a 5 day, 5 minute chart, because if we go any longer, going back to the longer term time frame like we normally do analysis on, we can see all the deviations are negative, not negative $62, not negative $86 on the right. So really we can only use short-term data on this, just because the stock went so crazy before. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video here.